This time I'm going to do this model. This is a bearing assembly. As you can see, it's made of 45 square and 4 holes at corners and 26 and 35 circles, inner and outer. Okay, let's do this. And again 8 mm thickness total and 4 mm for both. Upper ring and below the plate also having 4 mm thickness. This is a basic idea. It's very simple also. First we have to open solders. In solders you go to solder, again go to protrusion. I am selecting top plane. You can select any planes you desire, but for my convenience I am selecting top plane. Select rectangle tool and make a rough rectangle. Using connect these lines to the axes, and using smart dimension it as 45. So now this is a 45 mm square, and I am returning. While returning, it will ask, so as per this drawing you already know that thickness of the plate is 4 mm, so I am giving 4 mm. I am finishing it. Again go to protrusion. I am selecting the same face. Now just we made the plate, so I am selecting this plate, and again just 26 and 36 is the inner and outer. So using same protrusion I am making 20, 35 and again 26, and returning, adding 4 mm thickness, finishing it. Again going to cut out, and I am cutting this plate. So using this circle, selecting this and this, finishing. Now the rough body is finished. Now we have to add chamfer. So again go to chamfer, and I am setback I am setting as 5 mm, and here I am selecting this place, this edge. For your convenience I am zooming it. Chamfer is already given. Now I am finishing that also. After that, using cutout, I have to give 4 holes using circle. I am approximately giving 1 circle here, and here another circle, and here also I am giving another. Using circle, I am giving a circle of 4.2 better. So 4.2 circles I have done. Using smart dimension from this to this, 7.5. This also is a 17.5. Here center to is also 17.5. This also 17.5. So it's done. Just return it. Finished. The bearing assembly. is finished. So that's it. After that, file, save it as bearing assembly. And material table, you can add material. Polycarbonate I am adding. Polypropylene general purpose applied to model. So I am adding polypropylene. Again saving it. File, save as. Now exporting the same as STL file. In options is 0.025 millimeters ASCII. Done.